Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of bronzy look, maybe using this the City Mini Palette X Shayla, which is this is Maybelline, and probably this one as well. So I'm going to be using my Tatcha the water cream, which I think is awesome. And maybe I'm applying maybe too much for some people, but for me it's enough. I know what I'm doing. Our next step is going to be
the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer.
And it's from Too Faced, and I have this little tiny thing. Alrighty. Our next step is going to be our foundation, and it's probably my favorite part of makeup, foundation. And we're going to be doing the
Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus foundation.
Let's apply this on my face.
It smells like paint, literally.
So we're going to be using my Real Techniques sponge, my favorite. Okay. Okay, so next is going to be concealer. So I'm going to be using
the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Vanilla.
Alright, a little too fair, but that's okay, we'll fix that. I'm going to set up my concealer, and it's with the
Wet n Wild Contouring Palette Contour.
And it's this one right here. It's a little old, but it still works. So we're going to be using this side and my Real Techniques, and this is the blush brush, but I always use it for setting up my concealer. Okay, so next is going to be, I think my eyebrows are next.
So I'm going to be using the Brow Wiz on dark brown.
And I think they look nice, right? Too dark.
I'm going to be doing the Brow Gal. The Brow Gal. The fuck? Eyebrow gel. Clear, water resistant.
I hope it's not too much. Alright. Now we're going to be doing my eyeshadow. Let's start with the Anastasia, and I'm going to be using the burnt orange, which is this one right here.
That's my transition shade.
So I'm going to spray a little bit of my Cover FX
Illuminating setting spray.
into my brush so you can have a little bit of pigmentation. So now that I'm finished with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing my blush, my highlight. I'm gonna bronze up a little bit my face. We'll see. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I think it looks good, right? Just enough. Next step is my blush. But I feel like I'm going to be mixing this one and this one right here. I think it looks good. So one of the final steps is going to be my highlighter, and I'm going to be using my Breezy highlighter, and it looks like this, and I think it's so pretty, just like her. And I'm going to be putting it with this, I know it's a setting Yes, it is a setting brush, but I like to use it before my highlighter. So let's go into this. And final, oh no, my mascara, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to be using
the Tarteist? Sorry. So I'm going to be using this one
right here. I have it. I got it in a BoxyCharm, and like I said, BoxyCharm is amazing if you want to grow on makeup. If you want to build up your makeup, that's a very, very, very amazing idea to have BoxyCharm. Let me use a little bit of this burnt orange from the Anastasia palette to my lower lash. Okay, so now last step, my lipstick. The next and last thing I'll do for tonight is going to be my lips, and I'm so happy I'm going to be using this little puppy right here, and it's from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm really excited. And this is from her mom's collection, Kris collection. I couldn't buy the liner for this particular lipstick because they were sold out, but until I'll buy it, I'm going to be using one of my lip liners, and this one is from Milani, and it's shade All Natural, or 04 All Natural. It's a nude brown shade. Okay, so this is the final result on my makeup for today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. I really enjoy this look. It's simple. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.